Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix Snapchat support code SS06 error. First, hold your Snapchat application. Then tap on App Info. Here tap on Storage Usage. After that, tap on Clear Cache. Then go back to the home page and open your Play Store. Now search for Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat. Here, you need to update your Snapchat application. Wait for it to update. Go back to the home page and open Google Chrome. Then search for Snapchat Support. Here, tap on Snapchat Support. Then scroll down and tap on Contact Us. Now select the option of I can't access my account. Then select I see an error message when I log in. You need to follow these details to fix your problem. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.